What's going on, y'all? My name is David with RV Family.Life, and I am touring an RV today that is lived in full-time with a family. This is a Durango G382MBQ. I've got to recheck that because I was trying really hard to memorize that. Durango is a newer brand that I've not really paid a whole lot of attention to until recently, and I have been impressed. So I'm excited to share this lived-in RV so you guys can see what it looks like when people actually live in it. So let's take a look. Durango Gold. Fifth wheel. Let's check some weights out here. This is a 16,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. So 16,000 pounds. That's interesting. The auto leveling buttons is outside. How interesting. Got your propane tanks inside of there, wet bay inside of there. We've got access to the water heater right there. There's your electric plug-in. Oh, I bet you they added these side Furrion cameras extra. There's the access to the tanks to dump those out. They've got the hydraulic leveling system. Usually when you see these types of vents, that means they've got a propane fridge as opposed to just a straight up residential. There is a ladder on the side that's collapsible, and this patio right here says I'm a toy hauler, but it's lying. It's not a toy hauler. Man, every review I've done today has had the pole on the ladder. Why don't I have one? This is for me, guys. I'm showing the brand on that for me, so I can go get one. This is literally not a toy hauler. It's just a patio on the back of the RV, so you can have a patio on the back of the RV. Somebody comes out here and does their exercise. They got weights. I literally have those same weights. There's an awning over that patio. Durango Gold, KZ Recreational Vehicles. There is two awnings on the side. Now they do not have access to the furnace panel on the outside, so you're going to have to take apart the furnace from the inside if you have any problems with it, which I've had problems with mine, so I can totally understand that. Those solid steps look really wide. That's nice. Did I get it right? Did I memorize it correctly? All right, let's start at the loft. We've got another busy crowd looking at one room. I'm fascinated instantly by the Legos. I don't even care that this room looks lived in, because you know what? That is what a 10-year-old's loft looks like. I have no problem with that. And then down here, this is a mid-bunk, and this is the room where the 15-year-old sleeps, but the 10-year-old is getting to hang out here and play games. Very cool. This all folds out into a bed. That's a nice space. The table, chairs, couch, swiveling, rocking gliders right there. And then there's the patio right there. This is such a cool concept where Durango's like, hey, let's give them a patio. You don't have to have a toy hauler. Nice big TV, fireplace. You know, I think Daisy needs a food bowl that's tall like that. That would help. And one of the things that I really like is this dishwasher. Look at that. That is so awesome. It's not a full-size dishwasher like you'd have in a house, but it's not just a one drawer like you see in a lot of RVs. It's a good-sized dishwasher. 2021, and it came with the dishwasher when they bought it, so that is a great add-on. I love the finish and fit of this. Look, there's a bacon smoke remover right there to make sure your bacon smoke doesn't build up inside. And a ceiling fan over there on top of that. This is a great space. All right, we'll go up here and take a look at the bathroom and the master bedroom. So we've got the shower here. Oh, I believe those are the sticky hang-it thingies. Yeah, why? I always struggle with words. Interesting, they've got the cheaper fan in here, but they've got the good fan out of the kitchen. I guess it's really important that you get bacon smoke out of your kitchen, as opposed to your steam out of your bathroom. Nice squeegee, that's cool. I like that. Good size mirror. There we go, a couple of lights in there. And then in here, this bedroom has something that I really love, which that little nook down there for storage and charging all your stuff right there, that's really cool, but that's not it. Or these little shelves that fold down. Okay, I've got to ask the owner of this RV where those came from. That is really cool. What I love is the electric fireplace right here in the bedroom. I think that is so awesome. Two fireplaces. I can't tell you how many times we've had some colder winters. Propane's expensive. Having these fireplaces can really help you heat up your room. That is such a great use of space. Yep, Durango, I really need to give more attention to. That's it for the KZ Durango mid-bunk. I think that was awesome. So many things that I learned in there, and in fact, Sunny, the wife that was in there, I asked her about those little white fold-down shelves that were next to the bed. She's going to get me a link for those, so I will share that down below because those are awesome. Neat little shelf that can be used randomly and then folded up for travel day. She said she got those off of Amazon. It's perfect. Love seeing this well-used RV for a family that's living in there pretty much all the time. It's just a terrific use of space. Well, that is it for this video on this KZ Durango. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Remember that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.